Hello everyone and welcome to Ira Tutorials. I'm Aarti Naik and today I'm going to teach you class class 10 संयुक्त संस्कृतम आनंदः सप्तमः पाठः वाचन प्रशंसा. तर आज आपण बघू वाचन प्रशंसा म्हणजे वाचण्याचे कौतुक. ओके. तर हा सरळ लेखनार्थम आहे म्हणजे याच्यावरून तुम्हाला साधे प्रश्न विचारले जाऊ शकतात. तर आधी आपण त्याबद्दल इन्फॉर्मेशन घेऊया. डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम महोदयः मिसाइल मॅन इति बिरुदेन ख्यातः. म्हणजे डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम हे मिसाइल मॅन ह्या नावाने ओळखले जातात. ही पदवी त्यांना दिलेली आहे. ह्या नावाने ते प्रसिद्ध आहेत. ख्यातः म्हणजे प्रसिद्ध आहेत. तस्य जीवने तेन छात्राणां शैक्षणिक विकासार्थ नैके यत्नाः कृताः. म्हणजे त्यांनी विद्यार्थी असताना दॅट मीन्स that means during his learning period he gave more importance and his life was very having lots of troubles during his education. Then 15 October इति तस्य जन्मदिनं वाचनप्रेरणादिवसरूपेण आचर्यते. Means every year 15 October the birthday of our ex-president Dr. Abdul Kalam is celebrated to inspire the students to read. Vachana prerana means what? To inspire students to read. म्हणजे त्यांचा जन्मदिवस आपण वाचन प्रेरणा दिवस म्हणून सेलिब्रेट करतो. विविधानां ग्रंथानां लघुग्रंथानां वृत्तपत्राणां वाचनेन मनुष्यके गुणाः विकसिताः भवन्ति इत्यादी विषयाः पद्येस्मिन् वर्णिताः सन्ति. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ की वेगवेगळे ग्रंथ लघुग्रंथ म्हणजे शॉर्ट स्टोरीज वृत्तपत्राणां दॅट मीन्स न्यूजपेपर या because of reading all these we can improve ourselves. Our growth is possible with that. We can grow with more knowledge. Okay. And we can learn so many things from different subjects. So it is very useful to us. Reading is beneficial to us. Now question is there for you. पाठ्यपुस्तकं विहायत यूयं किं किं पठत. म्हणजे पाठ्यपुस्तक सोडले तर तुम्ही दुसऱ्या कुठल्या पुस्तकांचं वाचन करत आहात. साहित्य रसस्य के प्रकाराः भवन्ति. साहित्य रसांचे कोणते प्रकार आहेत. मीन्स विच आर द डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ लिटरेचर. अपि यूयं प्रतिदिनं वृत्तपत्रं पठत. तुम्ही रोज वर्तमानपत्र वाचत आहात का. तर ह्याची प्रश्नांची उत्तरं तुम्ही द्यायची आहे. ओके. नाव लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ द वर्स. फर्स्ट वर्स. शीलं सद्गुणं संपत्ति ज्ञानं विज्ञानमेव च उत्साहो वर्धते येन वाचनं तदहितावहम्. That means the reading that increases wealth of good quality, knowledge, enthusiasm and sadguna sampati. That means it builds your character also. It gives you quality knowledge also. And with that you can increase your knowledge in different field. In science also. Utsaha vardhate. It gives you energy. Yena vachanam tadahitavaham. Means that type of reading is always beneficial to you. It develops character. It creates enthusiasm within us. It gives good quality knowledge. So that type of reading is always beneficial to us. Let us move to second verse. Manuja vachane naiva bodhante vishayanam bahuna. Manuja means what? We people. It is only by reading that men get knowledge of many subjects, many things. दक्षा भवन्ति कार्येषु वाचनेन बहुश्रुताः. That means they become scholars, they become expert in various field of work. Daksha means expert in all different fields. Okay, so when a person reads so different subjects books, at that time they are becoming experts in all different fields. वाल्मीकि व्यास बाणाद्याः प्राचीनाः कविपण्डिताः तान् शिक्षयन्ति सततं ये सदा वाचने रता. That means Vyas, Valmiki, and Ban and other such poets and scholars of the past teach them who are engrossed in reading. That means they learn so many things by developing the habit of reading only. Reading has played very important role in their life. अद्यावृद्धि ज्ञानाय वृत्तपत्रं पठेत् सदा. Adhyavat vriddhi. That means adhyavat means what? That means to update your knowledge, latest news. Those who are reading newspaper and those who are updating their knowledge. सर्वविध सुविद्यार्थः वाचनमुपकारकम्. That means one should indeed read newspaper for update knowledge. Reading is beneficial for all the types of learner. That means anybody can, means it is not like that only students can get benefit of the reading. No, from child to the aged people, anyone can get benefit of reading. At any age you can read and you can learn so many things. Okay, next, वृथा भ्रमण को क्रीडा परपीडा पभाषणेः कालक्षेपो न कर्तव्यो विद्यार्थी वाचनम श्रयते. That means a student should not waste his time in aimless wandering, bad games, troubling other or gossiping. Instead he should resort to read. That means vrutha brahman, that means useless wandering. Okay, parpida bhashane, that means gossiping about different another people. Parpida means we are parpida bhashane, that means gossiping about others. Kalakshepo na kartavya, that means students should not waste time. Instead of that, they should spend their time in reading. वाचनं ज्ञानदं बाल्ये तरुणे शीलरक्षकं वर्धाक्ये दुःखहरणं हीतसद्ग्रन्थवाचनं. That means reading gives knowledge in childhood, protects characters in youth, and removes sadness in old age. Reading good books is always beneficial to human being. So you can see here in this lesson some sandhis are there which are very important. You can learn this sandhi, you can read out, you can try to learn it. Okay, first is vijnanameva, vijnanam plus eva, उत्साहो वर्धते, उत्साह plus वर्धते. In second phrase, वाचने नैव, वाचनेन plus एव, दक्षा भवन्ति, दक्षाः भवन्ति. Then अद्यावृद्धिः, अद्यावत ही, अद्यावत plus ही, पठेत् सदा, पठेत् plus सदा. वाचनमुपकारकं, वाचनम plus उपकारकम. In fifth phrase, कालक्षेपो न, कालक्षेपः plus न. कर्तव्य विद्यार्थी, कर्तव्यः plus विद्यार्थी. So like that you can learn this sandhi. I hope that everyone might have understood these words. If you have any difficulty, do write in comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share it and like it. Thank you.